tax filing season is now upon us. The IRS says Americans can officially start filing returns for 2023 today. And with almost 130 million individual tax returns likely to be filed this season, ABC's Im Nguyen spoke with a tax specialist to learn how you can avoid penalties and maximize your refund.
Another tax filing season is here, and for millions of Americans filing taxes, it may not be easy.
They get very stressful during this time because it is your largest single financial transaction.
Mark Stieber, Jackson Hewitt's Chief Tax Information Officer, says several tips can help you through the process. A date to remember is January 31st, the day employers must have W-2 forms either mailed or furnished. If you don't have it or you don't know where it is yet,
don't be thinking it's an action plan that I'll just wait, it'll come later. They never come later.
Also, he says, file quickly and electronically. It's the fastest way to receive a refund.
You want to file early so you can lock up your data with the IRS, and some schemer who bought or stole your data can't swoop in and file in front of you and steal your refund.
Stieber says pay close attention when filing, as there were some big tax changes in 2023, such as more incentives for green energy and EV credits.
There were some inflationary adjustments, bigger standard deduction, higher earned income tax credit, lower tax rate brackets in a response to inflation. And then, of course, at the end of the year, there were some green energy credits put into place.
And don't slack off. He says the April 15th federal tax filing deadline will come quicker than you may realize.
We have seen a continual acceleration of the filing extensions and more people filing later.
If you need extra help, there are programs out there that will give free assistance, such as through the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program and AARP's Tax Aid Program. If needed, filing for an extension by April will give people until October to finalize returns. But if you miss any deadlines, your return may be considered late, which will then prompt the IRS to pile on penalties and interest. Im Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.
The IRS also partners with certain software filing companies to provide online tax preparations for free. It is called IRS Free File. Any taxpayer or family whose adjusted gross income was $79,000 or less is eligible for this. It is important to note, however, Free File only guarantees you a free federal tax return, although the IRS says some programs offer free state tax preparation and filing. To learn more about this, you can head to IRS.gov.